today I like to make the simplest pocket possible. If that's what I can say, the word possible, I don't know. I just don't know if that is even possible, but let's just assume. So what we do need, just grab a piece of paper. Maybe you have a leftover piece of paper, but always make sure that you have enough space on the sides. So let's say I'm gonna grab this page back. Now this is a 5-inch, so if I have a leftover piece of paper, then always make sure that you have enough space on the sides. Okay, now I do have enough space for this one, so that's pretty easy. Now just grab your scoreboard, whatever scoreboard you like to use. And I like to start with my first fold line, 1/2 inch. And now for this one you have an option if you want to use the bottom hinge or not. I personally like no hinge, but for this time I'm gonna make a hinge for you guys. Alright, so then if you like that, just score another fold line at the bottom. 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch here. You can cut this in a nice corner so there is no bumping in the way. Alright, now the first one, I'm just gonna fold it over, and the large one, the bottom one, I also gonna flip it over. So no measurements needed. Now you have a hinge here and here. Now grab back your page. Let me unfold it so you can see it better. I hope, I do my best. Now let's place this on the end of this page. I think I can do this better and then just put, yes, this is way better. Alright. Now, you have your hinge on here and the bottom. Now, if you place this on your right side where you have your hinge already, then just grab a pencil and make a mark on your left side. Now on that mark we're going to make another hinge. Okay, and then we just cut, well, you can use your cutting machine, but for now this just a little piece, I'm just going to use my scissor. And for this one I also get rid of the nice corner. Alright, then just fold it over, and there you have your simplest pocket ever. That's it, guys. See, and now you can watch if there is anything interfering, but everything is nice and steady. So yep, that's how I make my pockets. Now I can glue this down on here, or you can make a nice notch in here if you like. I always like to do that, but if you don't, then that's also okay with me too. So yeah, next thing is just cutting some design paper on it. But if you want to use a notch, then maybe this is the right time to search for a nice piece of paper that's fitting, and then just make a notch. Okay, so I'm just gonna see through my leftover pieces. Oh, there was a piece of green that's not involved, not in this time being. Maybe I'm just gonna use this one so I can make it shorter. Okay, let's use this one. Shall I make it fully? I also can make it full. Let's do a full one. Okay, don't make it too difficult. You always can go back. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut my papers as normal with a little black edge. There we go. And now what I like to do is using my envelope punch to make that little notch. So just make your design paper even at the top and then just put it in. And now I just turn this over and I'm gonna make another punch on the same size, 1 inch. And then I grab back my cutting machine. This works absolutely stunning. See how easy that goes. So super easy. And there you go. And then you just can smooth the edges, and there you go. There you have a nice little pocket with a nice opening. It can be that simple. But I must confess that with the envelope punch it is pretty simple. But I'm going to show you how you can do another one without a envelope punch. Promise you we can do that. Alright, and then it's just a matter of gluing things down on the hinges, and that's it. Oh, cheeky day. Pretty simple pocket on this side. Burnish it down so the glue is nicely attached. And there you go. A nice pocket where you can add loads of things in here. Alright, now I'm gonna do for you guys another simple pocket, but then another opening. Alright, stay tuned if you like to see that.